Hi mom, welcome back to my channel. There's a video. Today we are gonna be doing a beautiful Diwali look. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, starting with, I've already prepped my skin with my moisturizer, toner, and as well as my sunscreen. Now for the priming my skin, I'm gonna be using this Plump Right Back primer from NYX. I'm just taking this much and I'm just going to use this all over my skin. Also, I love putting it onto my eyes just to hydrate them. It's such a beautiful primer, guys. It hydrates your skin so well and makes your makeup long wearing too. So yeah. Okay, so now for my foundation, I'm gonna be using this Dewy Diwali Serum Foundation, and I'm gonna mix that with my e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. And now we're just going to apply this with my fingers onto my face. Okay, now we're just going to blend this using my Kabuki brush. I'm using all the brushes I'm using are of MAC. It's the 27 brush set that I'm using, and such a beautiful quality brushes PAC has. Love it so much. And guys, this foundation is super lightweight and super dewy, as you can see. It's so beautiful. Love it so much. And I'm also gonna put this right here onto my eyes just to color correct them a little bit. Okay, so now for the concealer, I'm going to be using this K Beauty's HD Liquid Concealer. And I'm just going to highlight my eyes. Just like this. This concealer is super lightweight, guys. It's very lightweight. So I'm just going to blend this into my skin. It doesn't have the matte finish. It pretty much have kind of a natural, kind of like a dewy kind of finish, because it has a lot of like skincare ingredients into this. So yeah. So I'm just okay. So now for our cream blush, I'm gonna be using this Dewy Liquid Blush by PAC, and I'm just gonna apply just like 2 dots on both of my cheeks, and I'm just going to blend this right next to it. Look at that, like it's so beautiful. Like it's so beautiful. It's like a true coral color, like true coral edges. I'm gonna do the same on the other side as well, just like so. I always put my blushes onto my nose as well on my chin, just to kind of like tie everything together and make more of that cutesy kind of look. Love it. Okay, so now for the powder, I'm going to be using this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Setting Powder. I'm going to be taking my PAC powder puff and I'm just going to dip it into the pan, right like so. And we're just going to set it on all the places. So now for the bronzer, I'm going to be using this Sugar Contour Diffuse Mini Bronzer. I'm just going to dip this brush into the pan and I'm just going to bronze up my face. I'm also going to contour my nose with this. So now for the brows, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Tattoo Brow 3-Day Styling Gel. I'm just going to use this and set my brows with this. So now for the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. So now from this, I'm going to be taking the shade called MFDD and Silk Cream, both of them, mixing them together and using this onto my eyes. Just like that. I'm putting it basically all over my eyelids, just like so. I'm going to do the same on the other side as well. Also going to take the both shades on and run it through my lower lash line, just like so. Add a bit of color onto my lower lash line as well. Okay, so now I'm taking the shade called Mocha right here. And I'm just gonna take some and put it right on my outer corners, just like so. So now I'm gonna be taking this shade called Chip right here, and I'm gonna use that on my outer corners just to further increase the depth. Just like that. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. And I'm just going to blend this just like that, seamlessly blending it into my crease. Just like that on the outer corner. I'm also gonna take the Chip shade and put it on my outer corners of my little lash line, just like that. Gonna do the same on the other side. Okay, so now for the glitter, I'm gonna be using this Romance Lighting Glitter eyeshadow palette. Okay, so from this palette, I'm gonna be taking this shade. It's a beautiful golden colored shade. It's very pretty. Can you see that, guys? It's super reflective too. It's so pretty. I'm gonna use that on my inner corners, just like that. As you can see, guys, it looks so pretty. The shade is amazing. And I'm gonna do the same on my other side as well. As I'm also gonna take the glitter right here onto my lower lash line, just like that on the inner corners. Just like so. Okay, so now for the liner, I'm gonna be using this NYX Epic Ink Liner. Guys, now I'm going to take this shade called Abyss. It's a black shade on my liner brush, and I'm going to put this right on my lower lash line, just like so. Kind of like lining my lower lash line with this, just like that. Just to the outer corners. I'm going to do the same right here as well. I'm going to be taking this shade called Unlighten, and using this, I'm going to brighten my inner corners. Just like that. Okay, now for the mascara, I'm going to be using this Big Mood Mascara by e.l.f. First, I'm just going to curl my lashes. Okay, so now for the highlighter, I'm going to be using this Nude Sticks highlighter. This is their cream highlighter, and I'm just going to use this onto my nose, right here, in between my brows. I'm going to use this right here on the brow bone, right like so. I'm also just going to use this a little bit right here on my cheeks. I'm going to do the same on my other side as well. Yes, now for the lips, I'm going to be using this ColourPop Lippy Pencil. Guys, this lip liner glides onto my lips so easily, like it's so very smooth and it lasts for so long. Okay, so now for a lip color, I'm going to be using this Ink Velvet in the shade 26. On the center. And with my fingers, I'm just going to put this. It's a beautiful peachy, like bright peach color. It's so pretty. Okay, so now for the lip gloss, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss. Guys, now for the last step, I'm going to be using this NYX Dewy Setting Spray. Bye.